Your guide throughout this journey. It is my great joy to welcome you to Dopamine Land. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that helps the nerve cells in your brain communicate with the rest of your body. It plays a role in movement, memory, attention. The list goes on and on. But this neurotransmitter is more commonly known as the pleasure hormone. Many people mistakenly believe that dopamine is triggered by pleasure alone. But the reality is much more multifaceted. Today, you'll experience dopamine in new ways. You'll learn how this unique neurotransmitter affects human behavior, both for better and for worse. For most people, encountering a puppy as you walk down the street is a surefire way to release dopamine. But imagine if you saw that same puppy every day at the exact same point of your walk. The novelty would be gone. The surprise would be non-existent. You'd no longer feel quite the same ping of pleasure. Would it make you happy? Sure, but it wouldn't trigger the same response inside your mind. It's the reward of an unexpected puppy interaction that sends a dopaminergic shiver down your spine. Because dopamine doesn't just control movement, attention, memory, and other physical aspects of our everyday lives, it also drives us to dream, create, and anticipate what's yet to come. So, close your eyes. Go ahead. Yes, even you. Take a deep breath and hold it in.
like Van Nuys, California. That sounds like November 12th, 1955. Aha, S is a pineapple. Yep.
Yep, you were right.
Ah, this is one of those. What is it called? It's a squishy ball, right? Yep. Yeah.
Allow your mind to settle. Feel each breath you take enter and exit your lungs. Try to picture the energy flowing from within you, from your mind to your heart to your fingertips and toes. Awaken your being to the experiences that await you. I've left lessons for you along your journey and questions to consider as you discover more about the way your mind works. Give yourself a moment in each room to think about your answers. As you move forward, make a mental note of your reactions to each experience. What do they say about the way you encounter life's surprises, challenges, and expectations? How do you feel when asked to dream versus when you're asked to do? Will your encounters change the way you interact with the world? Now, open your eyes and let the journey begin.